Hello everyone. Okay, we continue today with our lesson. Okay, about the dash. Okay, the dash. After finishing the lesson of the hyphen, we said that both of them are represented by short horizontal bar. Okay, but the dash is a bit lengthier and longer. Okay, than the hyphen, and also it has its own cases and uses. We'll try to see them in this lesson. So we write here the dash, which equals normally two hyphens together, like this. In fact, even in English we have two dashes. We have what we call the M dash. It means it covers the length, or it covers the length of letter M. And this one that we will say today is called the M dash. M dash. Clear? M dash. And we have also the N dash. It's between the hyphen and the M dash. Okay, but usually and generally, the dashes, whether M or N, okay, have nearly common use, okay, or common usage. Okay, so the dash or the M dash of today, okay, it can replace parentheses, commas, okay, and even colons sometimes to express much emphasis, okay, or contain or enclose, in some cases also, a strong interruption, okay, as if, okay, a strong parenthetical, okay, interruption is inserted in the sentence, right, by this writer or speaker. That's why we indicate it by putting it between two dashes, okay. So you write here, number one, first use. We said it replaces the parentheses in the case of parenthetical expressions, clear. Also commas, right, and even colons sometimes, clear, to express much emphasis, right, or enclose a strong interruption within a sentence. For example, I write example. I intend for example, oblige not. Not to give the details. I intend oblige not, or not obliged to give the details to do this and that. Clear, this and that. So here, this expression, okay, which is inserted, right, as a kind of parenthetical expression or strong interruption in the middle of the flow of the speaker's speech. Okay, so here I distinguish this material or this part of the speech by putting it between two dashes, like this, clear, like this. Also we have another use of the dash or the M dash when we have an abrupt change of thought, okay, to indicate that the speaker or the writer shifts Clear. Suddenly, from one topic to another one. Okay, to another one suddenly, without any clear or obvious reason. Clear. So, right, number 2. It also indicates an abrupt or sudden change of thoughts. Clear. And this is used widely by writers. Okay, by writers in novels. You notice this? Okay, dash used frequently. Clear. Frequently, especially in dialogues between characters. Example. I can write here for instance. They will, for example, settle the matter, then put a dash. Everyone is anxious. Everyone is anxious. As if here, okay, the writer shifts his narration suddenly from describing certain characters, okay, to another idea about, okay, the state, okay, of another group of characters. Clear, suddenly. Here this one indicates the shift, this sudden change of thought. Okay, change of thought and description at the level of two groups of characters. Clear, of characters. Also, we have a third case, which we always and we all use, okay, when we want to introduce levels or steps, we always, as you know, put our either bullets or dashes. You write here, for example, to introduce levels or steps. Like this, you continue second one, third one, and so forth. Also, we have another case in English. I am hesitant. Clear. I express here hesitation. Hesitation in English. Writers, to indicate the state of hesitation, they put a dash and dash between words or certain letters to indicate that, okay, we have here a case of hesitation. So, also it's used to indicate hesitation. Example, I am afraid. As if someone is here apologizing, a bit ashamed of something, shy at something, clear. Or somebody so he hesitates to express this notion or idea of apology. We, okay, refer to this or show this through the use of M dashes. Now what is left? Fifth case. Okay. Also we use this time a little bit shorter. Okay, dash, which is the N dash. The N dash here, right here. It's always a dash, just to make you acquainted with different terms used. Okay, in the books of written expression. Clearly, you should, as you are specialized. Okay, now in English, as you are university students, you should be able, should know these terms. Okay, and also different categories within. Okay, or under each term or each part of the lesson. Alright. It is and dash, or always dash, we say, okay. Between, or to indicate span of time, to express when expressing span, right, of time, means span means period of time, or also number of pages. Example, we write of time. He lived from, or he studied from 1999, I put my and dash here, until 2015. Right, 15. Also with time we have, or we can use the dash and the and dash. Example, he slept from, I don't know, 1 a.m. till 6, for instance, right, o'clock p.m. a.m. till p.m. Okay, so this dash here indicates, time here, indicates time. Now for the case of pages also, whenever we refer to more than one page, we use the dash. Example, we have page from 33 till 36. Clear? 36. Here we use also the and dash or the and dash to indicate that discrepancy, but this code or this piece of writing, covers in this reference. So these are simply, different uses and cases of the dash in general, right? Try not to use the dash unless there is a clear rule or case, right, which determines, the right and the proper use of this mark. Otherwise, don't use it randomly, as if you are writing in your own Arabic language, right? So be please, consistent, right, to these rules, and respectful to them, right? Because a deviation of these rules is going to lead to errors and mistakes at the level of your writing, and this will ruin your writing style and make it very, very bad. Thanks so much, and see you in another lesson.